Hello everyone, welcome to Bessie's channel. I really wanted to film you how I do my makeup recently and I really do like it. If you want to see how I did this makeup, which is pretty easy, first I always apply toner, but with milk, like the Glow Milk toner that Rhodes, I think they made it famous. It was already like popular in Korea and mine is from a Korean brand that I do like. They do send me their products, and even before they sent me their products I was already in love with them. I just like bought every time their cleanser. It's from Anwa. I love you, Anwa. If you see this video, you really are like one of my top favorite Korean brands. I love you. I just love you so much and your products are so good. I gave some of their products to my sisters and both of them are in love of their products. If you want like good products from Korean brand, Anwa are on top of my heart, like really. What I recently do is putting toner, like milky toner before my makeup, but I really do like to put toner with my like foundation or in this case tinted moisturizer. This is the Blur Matte by Laura Mercier. I have never tried before, but I heard that this is a really good product. I really wanted to try it, and Laura Mercier is one of the brands that I love the most in makeup. I think like they did have their prime time, but like recently they aren't on the spotlight of beauty, but I really do like their products. They are one of my favorite makeup brand because it's so like luxurious, but not just on the packaging or because of the price or like the brand etiquette. It's just like because their products really are really good, and I do like a lot of Laura Mercier products. I really wanted to try this one too because I heard that it is a really good tinted moisturizer for oily girls, and I do have like an oily skin. I don't want too much sebum on my face, so I hope this one, like because it's matte, will not give that effect. It is 45 ml. I think I will apply toner first, then the Laura Mercier. Do you see that it gives your skin so much glow, and it's not like a bad glow, it's a really beautiful glow. Yeah, you think I'm gone cause I left. You can catch me now. My husband make me a nice coffee. Thanks to you, Alex. Have you seen like my beautiful mug? It was made by one of my cousins who did her own like personalization. I will put her at somewhere if you want to, but I think she only delivered in France, but I'm not sure about it. You can go see her page. She did really good job with this, and I think like I have it now for 2 years and I really like it. Hasn't moved and it's not sponsored. She didn't even know like that I talk about her. I don't think she even know that I have this YouTube channel. She know I have one in French, but I think she didn't know like that I have this one, and I really do love this mic. Hi Alex, thank you for the iced coffee. De nada. Just let me. I really loved hot coffee, but when I went to Portugal the weather was so hot that I didn't want to drink something that was too hot. And one of Alex's cousins, Francisco, he told me that iced coffee, like he drank iced coffee and it was really amazing. So I decided to try because I want something that wasn't cold, that wasn't hot, sorry, that was cold. And like when I drank it, it was like, wow! I'm talking too much, sorry, like I do have a makeup to do and you don't have too much time. I have the shade 2N. They don't have a lot of shade. I think it pretty matches well for my neck. I think skin tint, the range of skin tints in the market isn't insane. Lately I really do like to have like not that much foundation on. I think that's why I do love skin tint, because I really want people to see my skin even if I have makeup. Huda Beauty like Faux Filter used to be my favorite foundation ever because I did have like a lot of problems everywhere. Here there was acne, like everywhere. It was like little spot kissed. They were everywhere, so I was really shy about my skin. I feel ashamed like when people did see my skin, but now lately, like maybe because my skin became a little bit better and maybe because people I started to don't care about them. People will never be happy about who you are. They will always find something to criticize. I think it's my skin, but more even, like without too much coverage. I think honestly it's hard to tell that I do have something on if you don't know about it. And even if it says matte on the packaging, like it's called tinted moisturizer blurred matte, I think I see that this moisturized my skin. It blurred too, isn't too much matte or too much glowy. I have a new fave. Next I will go with the same Cover Perfection, which is it's a concealer in a pod like the NARS one, but this one is from Korea. It's a Korean brand. I will take just a little bit with my finger and put some where I need a little bit much coverage. Do you see like the difference? Like here I do have a big spot. Up, apply it, tap a little bit. I think here you will see it better. Yeah, I really do like it. Before I used to do that with my concealer, but I really wanted something that will go for that and not for everything else. Oh wow, honestly, I really love the tinted moisturizer. It gave me a really beautiful skin. I don't know if you really see it on camera because it's really pretty. It's like my skin but better. Like this is the perfect sentence, my skin but better. I think that if I start the video like this, telling you that this is what my skin looks like bare face, you will trust what I say because it isn't too much, and at the same time I think it's even more beautiful like in person. I like you, Laura Mercier. You see my face in every place, but you can't catch me now. Through wavy grass, the mountains will pass, you feel it all around. Next, I will go with the concealer. This one is from your Backstage, and it's in shade 2N. In fact, like you can go with any concealer. I will prefer one that is not giving too much coverage. I will not go like too near my eye. I will pretty much stay here, and I will tap to smooth it with everything. And I haven't put like a lot. As you can see, there is that much of concealer that is left, and because I don't want to waste it, I'll put just like some here, but honestly I didn't even need it. As I said, I don't want to waste. Makeup is so pricey. I can understand that for some formula you can like pay a lot more, but for some brand, like they give products that doesn't deserve the price. Under my eyebrow, with what's left, I will go on my eye. I think I don't have pretty much left. No, seriously, like even seeing me from here, you're pretty beautiful, girl. I don't know who you are, but you're pretty beautiful. I like when I think that I'm beautiful because it doesn't happen like a lot, but when it happens, I am like, hello, yay, okay. I will go with NYX Thick It Stick It for my eyebrows. Give him the shape that I want. I do love Manon from Cat's Eye eyebrows. One time I shaped them like her, and my best friend came and he was like, where your eyebrows are trying to go? Why are they this straight? And I was like, okay, you really are a man. And still with NYX, we will go with the brow tint pen. Oh, I haven't told you, I have this in shade ash brown, cool ash brown, and this one is in espresso. And I think like I will change it because I want a more lighter shade. I'll just draw some fake brows. So that's how I look like with the eyebrows on. I pretty much like him today. Not too bad. I will take this Say. I have never tried it too. It's my first time. Do browns in shade Salt, which is a pretty like cool brown shade. And if you have seen like my recent videos, you know that I do some on there, and we'll go here like on the bottom part of my face. I'm not contouring it how like others people used to. I really do it like here. Everywhere here I will put a shade that is pretty contouring. I don't know if it's the shade, but I think like I can't really see it. There's blood on the side of the mountain. I can take out the song of my head. It doesn't make a big change, but it's a change I like. That's how I do my contouring. And here we'll put just a little bit too, here too. And now blend. Like I will go from here to here. You can't really see it. I could easily tell that it is my skin if I was a liar. Maybe I should. Hello. Yeah, I do have this beautiful skin, naturally. Yeah. Me makeup? No, I hate makeup. No, I'm so different from other girls. Sorry, I was in my pygmy era. We will continue with Say. This time with their blushes that I have never tried to. This is a Dew blush in shade Spicy. This one is more like a dark shade. And I will put some here. Oh, this is so beautiful. Do you see the difference? Honestly, like, this is so beautiful. A little bit more. Of course, a little bit more. And here too. This one, like, on my nose will join where I did put some under my eyes, a little bit here too, because I do love blush everywhere. It's so beautiful. With what's left on my hand, I will go on my eye and put it everywhere. Now I will take the brush which I apply my skin tint with, blend everything. I'm proud of myself today. I will take this. This is like the old Tintastic from Marc Jacobs. I think this is discontinued because I think the brand, like, except like the perfume and other stuff, but the makeup brand isn't existing now. And I will just put like where I did put the Say bronzer lightfully. I won't put too much. I will do like with rotation like you don't want it to touch too much the skin, like almost here too. And now let's go with what I think is everyone's favorite, the Huda Beauty powder. My love. I do have it in sugar cookie. Whew. Was hard to say. I usually powder with a powder puff, but because I can't find it, I will go with a brush. I will take some, put the excess on my hand and everywhere I need to be fixed. Mostly on my T-zone. And I won't like go too much on the edges of my face because I don't want to be matte everywhere. I will set like the concealer mostly. Just a little bit, like, don't put too much. Like now I will go here, but like gently. It have to be sweet. As you can see, I still have glow. It's more matte, but my skin will be glowy by the day because, as I said, like, I do have an oily skin, and no matter what I put on, it will be glowy by the end of the day. With the Maybelline Tattoo Liner in shade Smooth Walnut, I will go on my higher lash line. I don't know if you can see the difference, but it is more like feminine. You can go with a black, but I think it will be a little bit too much, mostly if you do want it to look like a really daytime look. It's makeup, girl. If you don't want to put black, just put black. It's my personal preference. I do sometimes put black too, just as your preference. From what I want recently, I don't put black, but just do what you want. And I will go like in my lash line, but on my, forget the word, in French it's paupière. And with a brush that is like that, blend. It does like a really natural lash line, not as intense as with an eyeliner, but pretty intense too. And like it looks like this. And now with what's left, I will go more higher. And if you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, with what's still left, you can go like drawing your nose for a contour and like go to your eyebrow for it to look natural. Just there too. It's crazy how a nose can change all of your features. I will go with this palette from Dior, which is like the Dior Backstage Glow Face palette in shade 1 Universal with the gold. I will put some here on my inner corner. I will like just tap and up, and here. I just put gold because my jewels are gold, and I will put some here too on my nose And a little bit here too on my cupid's bow. Now I'll curl my lashes. Take your favorite mascara and put some mascara on. I already told you, but I really put like mascara on the edges of my lashes. I don't go too deep. Now that the mascara is done, we only do have like few steps. It nearly is done. I will take a nude pencil. I do love this Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liner. These are one of my favorite lip liners, but I don't have like a brownie shade, which I think will go better with the look. But because I don't have one, I will just go with the 90s nude shade, which is kind of pink. I slightly overline my lips. I don't know which one I want, like if it's the Laura Mercier. I already showed you the Laura Mercier in my first video, so I will go with the Few Pretty Voluming Gloss Scotch 30%. And here it is. This shade is so beautiful. So the Face Glue Setting Spray by NYX. And now I will retake my Draw palette, will go with the same shade, and I will just go here, like there, on this triangle of my face and put some. Oh, I don't have a lot of battery left on my camera, so I will go fast. This is the look I love lately, the makeup I feel good with. It's kind of luminous, it's beautiful as my opinion. You can have another, but I don't care. Now you can share your opinion, don't worry if you don't like it, you can tell me. But I really personally really love it. And here I do am. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you want to do it for you? I really like it, like honestly, woo! I do feel so good now, like with how I do look. If you like this video, it will be great if you can subscribe, like, comment, share, you know, the usual stuff. Thank you if you have watched. And tell me what type of video you want next. I think I will do like makeup from some country, like the cliche of French makeup, the cliche of American makeup, the cliche of Kurdish makeup. Because if you don't know, I'm a Kurdish girl, yay! I am really proud of my ethnicity and I really do want to show some Kurdish stuff on this channel too. And I personally do have so much idea of what I want to do on this channel. So see you for another video. Bye, love you!